Venice, a confident and radiant Jamaican woman, walks through Kingston's airport, her pilot's uniform perfectly pressed. She loves the skies, feeling free and alive when she's flying. Today, she's about to take off on a new adventure. As she boards her plane, she glances out the window, dreaming of the world beyond. Meanwhile, Kenrick, a dedicated police officer, is on night patrol in Kingston. His duty is to keep the city safe, but tonight, his mind drifts to the beautiful sunrise he saw last week, the same one Venice might be flying into or away from. One day, Venice's flight gets delayed due to weather. She decides to explore the city while waiting. Walking through the bustling streets of Jamaica, she accidentally bumps into Kenrick, who's directing traffic nearby. Their eyes meet, and an instant spark ignites. They apologize, share a light laugh, and exchange numbers before parting ways. Over the next few weeks, Venice and Kenrick's texts turn into long calls. Venice shares her love for flying, her Jamaican roots, and her dreams. Kenrick listens patiently, sharing stories of his patrols and his hopes for a peaceful Jamaica. Their connection deepens. The city feels smaller, more intimate. One evening, Kenrick surprises Venice with a picnic on the beach under the stars. They dance to reggae music, feeling the rhythm of Jamaica's heartbeat. Venice feels her heart soaring, just like in her flights, but now it's grounded in love. Their relationship isn't without challenges. Venice's demanding schedule as a pilot sometimes keeps her away. Kenrick's duties as a police officer sometimes keep him busy. Yet, their love remains strong, built on trust, respect, and shared dreams. One special day, Venice receives her pilot's license for international flights. Kenrick is there, proud and smiling. He takes her hand, and with the Jamaican sun shining bright, he promises to always be by her side. Venice realizes that her heart has found its home, not just in the skies, but in Kenrick's arms. Their story is a beautiful blend of dreams and duty, passion and patience. Venice and Kenrick prove that love can take flight, grounded in the warmth of Jamaica and the depths of true connection.